something I want to explain is that once it's time to slide this rod back in, it's going to only go in a certain way. One of these are slightly bigger than the other, so you can't force it in. It has to slide right in. It's like a key. It's not that one, so it must be this one. See that? Slides on. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Okay. So the first thing I want to do now is get a stringing tool. From the bottom. Keep these old little knickknacks out of there. Just popping them up and out. Just want to fish this through. So, and pull it through. Now when I put this back in here, there's a curved side here, a sharp side here. I want the curved side to face me. And then I want to just twist it. Boom. Like that, lock it in place. Now what happens is the thickness of this, there's a little slide in place here, and it goes down and twists and locks inside of this track. In, pull them through. And we have one more. Fish it in. Take the ribbon cord, stick it inside of the stringing tool, and pull it through. Okay. Next step. You come over here, you're gonna see why some people glue it. You look right here. Notice how this ribbon just came up. The ribbon just came up. So what some people will do is put a little glue right here, so you don't have to worry about that coming up. Because if it comes up too much, you'll be doing all of this all over again. Because it's going to pull right through, and now you have to restring it again. Same thing over here. And let's see over here. Alright, that one is fine. It's still pretty snug. Alright, so we have to pull all of these strings down, so the timing here is the same for all of them. So now we can fish the rod through the spools.